Welcome back to our channel, everyone. Today, we're diving into the world of sous vide cooking with the Greater Goods Pro Sous Vide Kit. This is a powerful cooking system that promises to elevate your culinary game. We found this product online and have added the link in the description so you can check the latest price and availability. So, what exactly is the Greater Goods Pro Sous Vide Kit? At its core, this kit includes an 1100-watt sous vide cooker and a premium plastic container designed specifically for sous vide cooking. The cooker is engineered for precision, allowing you to achieve perfectly cooked meals every single time. With its sleek stone blue design, it not only functions well but looks great in your kitchen too. Let's talk about the standout features of this sous vide kit. First up, the cooker itself is incredibly powerful at 1100 watts. This means it can heat water to your desired temperature in no time, making it efficient for those busy weeknights or when you're hosting a dinner party. Also, it operates with a brushless motor, which means you can enjoy a peaceful cooking experience. No loud whirring sounds here, just a gentle ripple in the water. One of the best parts about using the Greater Goods Sous Vide cooker is how intuitive it is. You simply fill the container with water, set the desired temperature, and seal your ingredients in a bag. Then, just dip the bag into the water, and that's it. It's like giving your food a little spa treatment. This makes it ideal for both seasoned chefs and beginners alike. Another cool aspect of this cooker is the range of functions it offers. It supports both Fahrenheit and Celsius measurements, has a manual calibration feature for added precision, and includes a negative timer. This timer allows you to see how long your food has been cooking past the original timer you set, which is super helpful for those who like to experiment with cooking times. Plus, the stainless steel cover is removable and dishwasher safe, making cleanup a breeze. Now, let's talk about the container. The Greater Goods Sous Vide container is designed to enhance your cooking experience. Its insulated design helps maintain temperature for longer, ensuring that your meals are cooked evenly throughout. This container comes with a lid, a stainless steel rack, and a neoprene sleeve, which are all essential for successful sous vide cooking. These features work together to combat two common issues, evaporation and floating bags. By snapping the lid in place, you can prevent water from evaporating during the cooking process, while the rack helps keep your bags submerged and in place. So, who is this product suitable for? If you love cooking and want to explore new techniques, this kit is perfect for you. It's also great for busy families looking to prepare healthy, consistent meals with minimal hands-on time. Whether you're cooking vegetables, meats, or even desserts, the Greater Goods Pro Sous Vide Kit can handle it all. Now, let's discuss some practical use cases. Imagine preparing a perfectly cooked steak. Just season it, bag it, and let it cook in the sous vide for a couple of hours. When you're ready to eat, just give it a quick sear on the grill or stovetop for that beautiful crust. Or, try cooking vegetables. They'll retain more nutrients and flavor compared to traditional boiling methods. Even desserts like custards and cheesecakes can be made with sous vide for that perfect texture. In conclusion, the Greater Goods Pro Sous Vide Kit is a powerhouse in the kitchen that offers precision, convenience, and versatility. Whether you're a cooking enthusiast or just getting started, this kit is designed to help you achieve culinary success with ease. Thanks for watching.